Hey guys, Mugsy Makes here. Today I'm going to do a quick art hack to show you how to make a silicone mold. I'm using window and door silicone here at the hardware store. It has to be 100% silicone. I'm also using from the Dollar Tree some non-concentrated dish soap. That is why I'm using so much, so if you have concentrated, you do not need to use as much as I do. And then you need a bucket of ice water and the item that you want to get the impression of. I'm currently doing a project and I want to use this broken clock, but I didn't want to lose it. It's been in my stash for a while, so I wanted to do a quick impression of it, that way I can use it in other art and never really use it up, which I like. During this whole process, you need to make sure that you keep your hands, anytime you come in contact with the silicone, wet and soapy. You're going to see me reapply the wet soapy cold water to my hands many times, and you're going to want to do that. I'm also applying the water to tools and anything I use that touches the silicone that I don't want the silicone to stick to. I wanted to show this part because it's really tough to get the silicone out of the tube. This is something I used to be able to do just fine, and now that I'm losing some dexterity and some strength in my hands due to my disability, it's getting a lot tougher to do. So if everybody has any idea how you can do this a little bit easier, please let me know. Again, I'm applying the cold soapy water to my hands so none of the silicone will stick. You're going to want to knead the silicone just kind of like you knead bread, but keep it in the water or very close to it, and keep reapplying the soapy water to your hands and to the silicone so we don't have any sticking issues. I'm going to reapply the soapy water to the clock before I do this again. That might be a little bit of overkill, but I didn't want anything sticking. Once the silicone is ready, and you're going to feel the silicone turn to a clay, like a soft clay light texture, go ahead and pull it out. Keep your surface kind of wet and soapy, and go ahead and push it into whatever you want to get an impression of. Now this impression turned out really well. It could have been a little bit thicker, although it still works just fine as is. You can easily go back and use another tube of silicone and add it to the already cured silicone on top of here to make a thicker mold if you'd like, because silicone will always stick to silicone. The packaging says it takes about an hour to handle, 24 hours to set, but after about 10 minutes, you can go ahead and pull it up out of your mold and handle it. Now, this does smell like silicone. Silicone has a very distinct vinegary smell to me. So once I molded this, I made sure I cleaned up everything and I let the mold sit outside in my garage. And I'm going to continue letting it sit out there for a few more days until the smell dissipates, because it's quite unsavory, to say the least. Alright, you guys, I hope you give this a try. If you want to see me mold some more, I will be doing a lot of just of my small embellishments and stuff I use in my art, so I can go ahead and do a video of that if you like. Thanks for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Go create something for the greater good. Bye, guys.